Ki sa wap fè?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Mwen ap panse avè ou.
I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you.
Mwen ap kriye kounye ya.
I'm crying now. I'm crying now.
Mwen ap jwe ak zanmim nan.
I'm playing with my friend. I'm playing with my friend.
Mwen ap penye chevem.
I'm combing my hair. I'm combing my hair.
Mwen ap chante ak menaj mwen ya.
I'm singing with my boyfriend. I'm singing with my boyfriend.
Mwen ap danse ak menaj mwen ya.
I'm dancing with my girlfriend. I'm dancing with my girlfriend.
Mwen ap pale avè ou.
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
Mwen ap tan nou.
I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you.
Mwen ap li yon liv.
I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book.
Mwen ap ekri yon let.
I'm writing a letter. I'm writing a letter.
Mwen ap gade tele.
I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV.
Mwen ap manje yon pom.
I'm eating an apple. I'm eating an apple.
Mwen ap bred lo.
I'm drinking water. I'm drinking water.
Mwen ap kondi yon mashin.
I'm driving a car. I'm driving a car.
Mwen ap mache a piye.
I'm walking on foot. I'm walking on foot.
Mwen ap kouri nan la ria.
I'm running in the street. I'm running in the street.
Mwen ap travay la kay la.
I'm working at home. I'm working at home.
Mwen ap fè manje nan kizin nan.
I'm cooking in the kitchen. I'm cooking in the kitchen.
Mwen ap lave rad mwen yo.
I'm washing my clothes. I'm washing my clothes.
Mwen ap netwaye cham mwen ya.
I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room.